Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. So let's see here. You may be wondering what your options are for sanding the board like this. We have all kinds of sanders. We have the hand sander like this. This gets into corners. That's going to take a while. This is actually a sheetrock pole sanding unit that I took the pole off and I put sandpaper on there. That's actually pretty good for getting a great long length of sanding done. Then you're like, well, what about leaving behind the that type of effort and use something like this, orbital. Orbital can do the job, but let me tell you more often than not what happens, even with a fresh sheet of paper, is it causes the swirlies in the wood. So while that may be an option, let me tell you the best options right here, because this is going to finish the job fairly quickly. 3 times faster than this. Here we go. So let's have a look at the before. Not sure what you can see there. And the after. Let's count this out. Alright, that was 1 minute and 10 seconds, I believe. And there you go. That's my rough sanding. Before you put a project together, you definitely want to do the rough sanding. So I've got that, all the yellow off that gathered on it from the sun. And got a little more sanding to do there, but that served several purposes. It actually planed it as well. So we have a nice flat surface here. And what I have on here is like a 220, I believe. And it's actually kind of worn, but it still did a quick job. If I use this, trust me when I tell you that it's going to take you longer to sand, and you have the possibilities of putting swirlies in because it's going round like this, as opposed to this is going like in this direction. So, hey, there you go, tip of the day. Thanks for watching S&C Custom Designs.